Pickled onions make a delicious condiment, and they're so easy. You'll want to make them every week. Start with a red onion that you're going to very thinly slice. Then place your onion into whatever container you're going to use. I'm using a glass jar with a lid so that I can store it in my fridge for about a week. You can use whatever container you like, but I do recommend that you use a glass container because you're going to be using quite a lot of vinegar. Go ahead and pack it in there and add a few peppercorns if you have them. On your stove, measure out a half a cup of water. Add a half a cup of, I'm using apple cider vinegar, but you can use just about any kind of vinegar that you like. Pour that into a pot. Add 2.5 tablespoons of granulated sugar, a half teaspoon of salt. I like to use kosher salt. And then about, let's say 1/8 teaspoon of dry mustard. Just for a little bit of zing, zing, zing. Give that a stir. And bring it to almost a boil. You want the salt and everything in here to dissolve. Pour the mixture over the onions that are in your container. Set it aside to cool. Store your pickled onions in your refrigerator for about a week and use them on anything you can think of.